Welcome. I'm Dr. Kamran Sandhu from Business Management and Research Channel. It's a project of the RISE. In today's video, you will learn about knowledge management tools. So we will learn about groupware system, KM2, intranet and extranet, data warehousing, data mining, decision support system, content management system, document management system, artificial intelligence, simulation tools, and semantic networks. So what is groupware system and KM 2.0? Groupware is a phrase that refers to technology that is designed to let people collaborate, and it spans a wide range of applications. According to Wikipedia, there are three types of groupware. Number one, communication tools, like communication within the organization, within different departments, different people. Then conferencing tools, that you have two offices, one in city A, another one in city B. Or you can have conference together, meeting together. Then collaborative management tools, that there is a tool and everybody can use to get results. Then comes intranet and extranet. What is the role of intranet? In the process of knowledge management, the intranet may be a very helpful method. It allows multimedia networking to be integrated and can be used as a medium for groupware application and publishing. So you have to focus on the objective of this intranet, and that is multimedia networking, to connect your PCs, your projectors, your other data network to support groupware. And we have discussed groupware in the last slide. Its aim is to improve teamwork, that everybody is on same page. Competitiveness, that you are using time without wastage. Then socialization, so everybody is connected and they know what is important and what is going on, while also influencing corporate culture and serving as an information repository. This is very useful, that it works as a repository. Then comes extranet. Extranet extends the intranet to the firm's external network, which includes partner, vendors, and other stakeholders. Like any organization, it will be purchasing some raw material or dealing some official communication with banks or with suppliers or other stakeholders. So extranet actually provides this medium to collaborate, communicate with the stakeholders. A supplemental structure that works alongside the intranet, and it works with intranet, or a portion of the internet that is made accessible to those external users, is often referred to as an extranet. So intranet and extranet both are working together, reinforcing each other, supporting each other. What is warehouse data or data mining? Data warehousing is predicted on the premise that at least in part the correctness of a manager's action is directed by the quality of his information. Within the organization, you have to take decision on daily basis, on weekly basis, monthly basis, or whatever is the requirement. Good decision making is the result of good information. So good decision making is actually based on quality of the information, that how organized you are, what good system you are using to get the information whenever required. The objective of storing data in a centralized structure is to give them with the necessary building blocks for sound knowledge and intelligence. So knowledge and intelligence is actually based on quality of the information, what you are going to store in your data warehouse. An effective method for mission critical application to reduce, process, retrieve or turn vast databases or datasets into summarized information, and exploring secret trends in intelligence exploration. So here is focus towards secret trends And base of the secret trend is raw data, which you will analyze after getting the required demand from your departments or managers. Here comes decision support system. These systems are responsible for assessing and altering data, analyzing data. They often use data center, online analytical processing and data mining tools. Acting with the manager rather than dismissing him is the objective, to improve decision making and problem solving. So you have observed from all the previous slides that we are focused towards improved decision making. And improved decision making is the result of all KM tools. Content management system. Material management systems are important in knowledge management since they are in charge of developing, maintaining, delivering content on intranet, extranet or website. Content management is a discipline that is responsible or require technology, ease of use of software applications, like applications should be user-friendly, total cost of ownership, where you are going, where you are heading, whether you are within the budget or outside the budget, cross-platform support and scalability, that you have to understand different platforms and match them with the common cause. Then web presence management and solution deployment. So content management system works in this way in these days. Here comes document management system. It comprised of capturing of information, then classification using metadata, big data, then indexing, that you have to give them codes or barcodes or some serial number so as to find out a document later on. Searching and retrieval. So to search a document with given code is very much easy. Then versioning. This is version 1 and this is version 2. Administration and security. Knowledge retrieval. So you can retrieve knowledge if you have used indexing system within the KM models. So indexing means you are allotting A, B, C, D. If I will talk about journal recording, but if we will talk about IT-based system, then indexing system will be produced in computer language. Then query information or query formulation. So I need certain information, there is a raw data. So how to get the required information? So there is a query formulation system. You can design some queries. Whenever you want data, you will just click and you will get that information. Then selection. SharePoint knowledge base. This is cost effective because there is one system and everybody is getting benefits or required information. Fully functional, all the time available, 24 hours availability of the data which is related to you, like finance department, logistic department, production department. So SharePoint can have good information. Ease to navigate and use. This is key point, that whenever you develop application regarding knowledge management, there is a need to make it user friendly. Thank you very much. I hope today's lecture will give you good help and support. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Best of luck.